still can't imagine how it's like, this is the greatest place I've ever been.
I heard about this place, Jellyfish Lake, and one of the best cave in my life. Hi, my name is Alexandra, I'm from Sweden. This experience in Misool has been one of the best experiences in my life. I can assure you that. I've done so many different freediving trips, but this has been like the most magical and the most intense I've ever done.
My name is Kirill. I'm the founder of Freedive Nusa and freediving instructor trainer. And now we are in Misool, south of Ampat. This is a very remote place located in the middle of nowhere with untouched nature. I personally define this place as the most beautiful and unique place I have ever seen. I'm living in Asia for more than 15 years and traveling a lot around. And for me, Misool is really heaven for real ocean seekers and for freedivers. I have never seen such uniqueness and beautiful landscapes anywhere. Beautiful caves, walls, overhangs, amazing jellyfish lake. It's just hard to believe that these kind of places exist in our planet.